everybody. There's a wonderful, beautiful, positive energy in the air. The sun is shining upon us, and there's happiness and well-being. After so much pain and anger and things and deception and lies that we've let go of, there's peace and harmony and contentment in our lives. We're climbing the ladder to success, and it wasn't easy for us, but our dreams and prayers are being heard. We are guided and loved by the universe. There is a path with money that is waiting for us, and this is fantastic news. But we must just be patient for that little bit longer. Let things, divine timing, work in your favor. Money is coming your way, and it's going to help you with those frustrations where you felt stuck. Be careful of great pride. Stay in your peace and harmony and integrity and move forward with determination for yourself. Our angel card is number 444, and the spirit says, freedom is yours. And 444 is protection. I feel the loving care of the divine protecting me. And Spirit wants us to know that we must reclaim our power, not hide away from things that are harsh. We must tackle the demons that head on. Don't allow them to rule you for a second longer. You're going to have dealings with a woman, and this is going to bring change for the better, change in your monies and other areas of your life. Doors are opening up for you, and you can see there you looking at your ships coming in. Just that little bit of waiting, you right there. um, there are opportunities that are working in your favor. You're going to start seeing very clearly, and you are choosing the road to happiness, especially in your home. There are improvements already coming about in areas of lack and waiting and things like that. And the star card says there's guaranteed success. You're going to start realizing that delays will prove necessary in your life. Our loved ones want us to know that balance work, rest, and play. It is important for you to have fun along with fulfilling your responsibilities. Have a lovely day, everybody.